Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5566 Vardon Drive overlooking beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular architect-designed Canandaigua Lake View dream home with million-dollar views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Just imagine driving up to the stunning contemporary with covered entry, welcoming your family and friends. That opens to the spacious foyer and beautiful lake views.
Imagine entertaining your family and friends in this designer white and bright kitchen. With wood mode cabinetry, high-end appliances, solid surface countertops, a flush mount sink, and a dining area with built-ins and 2 bay windows. All open to the awe-inspiring living area with 16-foot ceilings, a modern spiral staircase, a cozy gas fireplace, and a wall of windows with deck access and breathtaking lake views.
Just off the foyer is a powder room, leading to this private and spacious first-floor owner suite, with custom cabinetry and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to a luxurious bath with walk-in closet, walk-in towel shower, and double sink vanity with access to the deck.
This marvelous home continues upstairs with a spacious loft area. Great for an office or bonus room with a modern glass railing overlooking the great room. Plus 2 guest suites with their own beautiful full bathrooms and walk-in closets, all with those elevated lake views.
The architectural detail and craftsmanship of this quality-built home is evident in the detail of this amazing property. Architect George Baker designed this home in the hexagon style, with the objective to achieve balance and symmetry while bringing the outside in and the inside out. The exterior illumination is just phenomenal with stunning curb appeal day or night.
This is the true meaning of an entertainment-sized deck that is over 1,600 square feet and features a cathedral ceiling covered area with a focal point on the scenic lake views and exquisite landscaping. Enjoy the lake lifestyle. Bristol Harbor Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space, including a library, game room, and exercise room, all with adjacent tennis courts. Enjoy easy access to the private sand beach. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbor is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5566 Vardon Drive overlooking beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.